Today we have to figure out which of these two numbers is greater than the other. 222 raised to 333, or 333 raised to 222. But the main thing to note is that we cannot use a calculator to find it out. Even if I had allowed you to use a calculator, it would not be of much use because, if you try to put such a big number inside any calculator, it will vomit out infinity for both of these values. Now, if you also try to become smart and put this value divided by this value to find out the ratio, it will still throw an error or show it as undefined. However, there's a clever trick you can use with a calculator to identify the larger number, and that's precisely why I haven't allowed calculators for this. But don't worry, I'll reveal the trick at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, to solve this problem, first let us consider 222 raised to 333. We can rewrite 222 as 111 times 2, right? Now we will be using this power rule. Thus it will become 111 raised to 333 times 2 raised to 333. Next, we can rewrite this as 2 raised to 111 times 3, because 111 times 3 is 333. Next, we can use this power rule to make it 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 111. And this 2 raised to 3 will become 8. So this whole thing will be 111 raised to 3, 33 times 8 raised to 111. Now consider this number. We can rewrite 333 as 111 times 3, right? Now we will be again using this power rule to make it 111 raised to 222 times 3 raised to 222. Next, we can rewrite this as 3 raised to 111 times 2, and again using this power rule, we can make it 3 raised to 2 whole, raised to 111th. And this 3 square will become 9. So this whole thing will be 111 raised to 222 times 9 raised to 111. This is getting interesting, isn't it? Now write this 111 raised to 333 as 111 raised to 111 plus 222. Now use this power rule to get this as 111 raised to 111 times 111 raised to 222. Now both of them have the same exponents, hence use this power rule. This will become 111 times 8 or 888 raised to 111, and we are almost done. Look at both of these sides. We have this thing as common, so delete it from both ends. Now, we only have to compare both of them, which is super easy because both of them have the same power, and thus clearly 888 is way greater than 9, which means the left side, or 22 raised to 333, is way greater than 333 raised to 222. That was simply amazing. Now, as I promised, I will show you a clever trick using which we can find this same result using a calculator. Write this as A and this as B. Now take the natural logarithm of both. Using this logarithm rule, we get ln of A as this and ln of B as this. Now quickly remove your calculator and plug in the values of ln of this number, which will be this, and then the ln of this number, which will be this. Finally, again, using the calculator, find the value of this multiples, and we are done. ln of A will be nearly 1800, whereas ln of B will be nearly 1300. And this way, we have our clear winner, which is A, or 222 raised to 333, is way greater than 333 raised to 222. If you like it, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. So good!